Hey all, this is Guy Potok here. I want to thank you very much for picking up this product. Now, in this video, I will show you two case studies I used with this Power Lead Optimizer to bank some nice money, and I used a few unique strategies you maybe never heard of it. So let's go and start. As you can see, I'm inside my my website where I did installed the survey plugin, and as you can see, I made two survey. So the first one is about a product called Cartel, and if you don't know, I have used a unique strategy where I basically sorry, one second, let me refresh that. I've used one of Michelle's previous strategies, how to create a fan page and basically use it like an autoresponder and build your email list and stuff like this. So below this video there will be a link to a training made by Michelle that will teach you how to use this strategy. So basically I created a fan page to Cartel. I created some curiosity and I basically engage with people by posting and created curiosity, and I invited my friends to like this page, and when they did, they just click here on learn more and they were redirected to this survey where I basically asked them the same question that Rob used above on the video above. And after they went through all the questions, they were sent to a bonus page of Cartel where they will be able to buy this product. So this is generated me $448, as you can see in the stats of Cartel. This has generated me $448 just from 5 sales and 30 unique visitors. First of all, because of the unique method, they went through my fan page and then they read my posts, and then they click here on learn more, or they clicked inside the post and there will be redirected to my survey. So this is the first strategy I've used, and it's, as I said, generated me $448. Now, second strategy is a ManyChat broadcast I've used. I had like 2 posts pre-scheduled for 30 and 31 of July when this product will be launched, and as you can see, I got pretty good engagement, 60 open rate, 53% open rate, and a 10% click-through rate and 7% click-through rate. And with this strategy also, I send them to the same survey that we used here. Let's go over basically, ask them a few questions. Of course, all the answer should be a yes, right? And then just click here to see a simple way. Then they redirect to a short video I've created telling them thank you for taking the time picking up the survey, click here below, and then once again they were redirected to my bonus page where they can see and learn all about Cartel. So this strategy added me another $340 So total of $835 from a single launch in 2 days, and that's pretty nice money using free traffic basically. My Facebook friends and a ManyChat bot service, also subscribers that I got from a free traffic source. So let's go over to the second part. As I said, viral traffic. The second part of the case study is as you can see, PPA. PPA, it's Project Profit Academy. It's the high ticket program from Brendan Mason, John Armstrong, the creators of Cartel. This program costs $2,000. This plan should cover all the knowledge of internet marketing. You will get everything inside this program. So if you remember my bonus page, I simply added here on the right side of my blog, I added a simple image. Says the fastest way to make $10,000 a month, Project Profit Academy, with their logo. And simply when people go through my survey, as I said before, I used free traffic. Two of them or few of them clicked here, and as you can see, it's the same survey process. They clicked to watch the survey, and simplest way to make money online. Once again, same video, and when they click here, they were redirected to a auto webinar page that I created before using the Cartel software, and people basically are joining the webinar.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Brendan here.
Basically, it's a webinar. It's an auto webinar that's basically meant to promote Brendan and Jono's high ticket offer. And after sometimes there should be a button here that will pop up and says join the Project Profit Academy now. And as you can see in those stats, I've been able to make 2 sales with high ticket offer that gave me more than $1,142, and basically brought me over $1,000 per day. That was my dream goal when I joined internet marketing, to make $1,000 on a day, and it's made me. And just remember, from a simple image right here on the side of my blog, when people come to visit my review page of a $12.95 product, someone decided he wants to go all the way and really know about internet marketing and how to do it the right way. So he decided to join the program, and I wish him best of success. And let's go back here to Power Lead Optimizer. I hope you will use this service, use this software, as Michelle will teach you in the next videos. And I hope you will have as much a success as I had with this program. So take action and stay for the next videos. Thank you.